These 10 British phrases will almost always be misunderstood, especially by Americans. Number 1. Oh yeah, that'll work.
All right, so I just used duct tape to fix the whole car door. Pretty good, huh?
Oh yeah, that'll work.
See, I knew it. You totally approve.
Well, not really. In British English, when someone says, "Oh yeah, that'll work," they almost never mean it'll actually work. It's pure sarcasm. What they really mean is, "Nope, that's a terrible idea." Number 2, I've had a brilliant day.
Hey, how was your trip to the city?
Oh, I've had a brilliant day.
Wow, that's awesome! Must have been amazing!
Nope.
In British English, I've had a brilliant day can sometimes mean the exact opposite, especially when said in a flat tone. It's a polite way of saying it was a total disaster, kind of like calling a burnt pizza extra crispy. Number 3, what could possibly go wrong?
All right, let's try bungee jumping over the crocodile pond.
What could possibly go wrong?
Oh, wow, you're confident it's safe.
Nope.
In British English, what could possibly go wrong usually isn't a real question. It's a warning in disguise. It's like saying everything will be fine except it absolutely won't. Imagine someone saying it right before fixing a toaster with a fork. Number 4, it's fine.
I accidentally scratched your brand new car.
It's fine.
Phew, you're totally okay with it.
In everyday British-style English, it's fine often means the exact opposite. It's the calm before the storm way of saying I am, in fact, not fine. If you hear this, you might want to start running. Politely, of course. Number 5, that's one way of doing it.
I fixed your bookshelf.
That's one way of doing it.
Nice! You think I'm creative?
In everyday British-style English, that's one way of doing it is the polite way of saying that's completely wrong. It's like watching someone make tea by putting the milk in the kettle. Technically possible, but deeply disturbing. Number 6, that's different.
Check out my bright neon green wedding suit.
That's different.
Wow, you love it.
In British English, that's different doesn't mean unique and wonderful. It means I don't like it. It's the verbal equivalent of politely smiling at a painting you hate. Number 7, it's not ideal.
So the wedding cake fell on the floor? But we can still serve it, right?
It's not ideal.
Oh good, you think it's fine.
In British English, it's not ideal is code for this is a complete mess. If you hear it, something has gone very, very wrong, but they're too polite to scream. Number 8, I suppose so.
Let's have pineapple on the pizza.
I suppose so.
Yes, you love my idea.
British English, I suppose so means I don't really agree, but okay. It's a reluctant yes, like agreeing to watch a movie you already know you'll hate. Number 9, mustn't grumble.
So, how's your 3-hour train delay going?
Mustn't grumble.
Oh good, you're perfectly happy.
In British English, mustn't grumble means I'm very unhappy, but won't admit it. It's like smiling while your ice cream melts onto your shoes. Number 10. You've made a bit of a dog's breakfast of it.
I fixed your bookshelf. I just used glue and hope.
You've made a bit of a dog's breakfast of it.
Great. You think it's cute, right?
In British English, you've made a bit of a dog's breakfast of it means you've totally messed it up. It's not about dogs, it's about the chaos they leave behind. So, next time a Brit tells you something nice, remember, they might be secretly telling you it's a disaster. That's all for part 3. If you enjoyed these tricky British phrases, don't miss part 4 coming soon. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you won't miss out.